𝗖𝗍𝗄𝗡. Today is the 18th day and I am going to talk on 𝗖𝗍𝗄𝗡 revenue models, freelancing, consulting and creating. Design multiple income flows beyond 9 to 5 working hour. Namaskar, I am Sekhar 𝗓𝗏, best-selling author, resilience strategist and work-life balance coach. I welcome you on the 18th day of 𝗖𝗍𝗄𝗡. Today's theme is 𝗖𝗍𝗄𝗡 revenue models. Number 1, freelancing, consulting and creating. Because your job might be replaceable, but your value is not if you build it wisely. Understand the problem. You are stuck in a linear trap. Work more means earn more. But in a volatile AI-driven world, linear income is fragile. Why you need diverse income flows? The 9 to 5 is not evil, but it is not enough anymore. One paycheck is equal to 1 point of failure. Be careful. Your career needs a revenue portfolio. Instead of one, you should have multiple sources of earning, right? Here, 3 revenue paths to start building. Number 1 is the freelancing. Sell your skills per project. As an example, content, strategy or design. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr or direct outreach. Let AI help draft proposals, pitch decks and follow-ups. Second, consulting. You don't need 100 clients, just 2 to 3 high-value ones. Package your expertise into retainers or 1-month sprint. Third, creator economy. Write, teach and podcast. Use YouTube, Substack, Teachable, Gumroad. Monetize with courses, downloads or membership. Here is a pro tip. Combine 2 of these 3 for sustainability. The way I am presenting my videos through YouTube, every day with a new episode. And it is going to be around 150th episode, covering 5 different topics. And my writing is also available in the blog like Substack or medium.com. And different teachable things. I teach through different series in the LinkedIn. Then you can monetize it with courses, downloads or membership. In such videos, I give a free download of worksheet or templates, right? But when you come in a session, it is a very intensive, very exhaustive, and there is a series of templates to be provided to touch down to the laser focus point. Here data snapshot at present. Freelancers using AI saw a 53% rise in client volume according to Fiverr 2024. Consultants who productized their knowledge earned 34% more per hour according to LinkedIn Future of Work Report 2025. Creator economy grew by $13 billion in 2024 globally according to Statista. You are not starting over. You are building upward, simply scaling up. Here is a journal prompt for you. Which income path feels most natural to me? And what's my first bold step? And bonus affirmation. I am the architect of multiple incomes. And here is my worksheet, Revenue Model Starter Kit. In every episode, I am giving one free downloadable worksheet. Download it and practice it and see how it transforms you. Today's tool includes 3 one-page income model blueprint, proposal generator prompt set, and rate calculator plus platform suggestion grid. DM D18 to receive it instantly. Here I present you a mini case story. Mehul, 48 years, an operations head, felt trapped. he began consulting small startups part-time. AI helped design frameworks and reports. Now he earns 2 times more from 3 clients than from his day job. Here is call to action for you. Comment, I earn in multiple ways. Already ways have shown. So you choose 2 out of 3. Like that you have a revenue model. DM day 18 for your revenue model kit. Tag someone stuck in a single income life and subscribe my channel, because on the 19th day it will be unlocks how to show your work. Thank you very much.